Now let's talk about 10 different ways to clear cut in Photoshop. And one of the most underestimated ways to clear cut is the Magic Wand. And the reason why Magic Wand is in the list, it's because Magic Wand is so fast and you can get a selection very quickly. The Lasso Tool was one of the first tools that I learned, and I still use it now and then. Using brushes aligned with a tablet is a perfect way to clear cut hair, to help out with some selections that you cannot get with channels or with any other technique. Just brushing the areas you want to select. Refine edges is another great way to clear cut. You can use decontaminate the colors so you lose those fringes on the edges. It's a pretty nice way. I learned it not so long ago and I'm loving it. Using dodge and burn aligned with the channels, it's another great way to highlight the areas you want to clear cut or burn it if you want to delete from your selection. Using the blend modes to clear cut is another great way to do it. I love it. It's one of my favorite ways to clear cut hair or integrate some bubbles on your water or anything else that you can use the properties of the layer to help you out with the clear cutting. Could be multiply, screen, sometimes overlay, so you should definitely check that out. The blend diff is a very hidden tool in Photoshop. Don't ask me why, I don't know, because you can do so much with it. You can integrate elements and also clear cut. Because if you have a red, green or blue background, you can use the blend diff to get a really nice selection, and the quality looks amazing and is so fast. Color range is a very old tool. I remember using since I was 15 or so, and I still use now and then. And one of the best things about color range is that you can play with diffuseness, very simple to understand. Use the eyedrop to add to your selection, so you can pretty much click and add or subtract from your selection using the eyedrop. If you want to be 100% that your selection is perfect, do a path. I know it's very boring, you're gonna lose a lot of time doing it, but you're not gonna have problems in the future. And if you want to enjoy the path process, just put a nice music, take it as a meditation time. And finally, my favorite way to clear cut things is the channels, because using the channels you can choose the red, green or the blue channel. Get the one with a more contrast. You can use dodge and burn on it. You can work with curves and levels and adjust to the point that you get the perfect selection. And it's very manual in a way, but very helpful. One of the tools that I use the most, hands down, and love your channel. See you on the next video, and we're gonna be talking about integrating the clear cut elements in different backgrounds. So, catch you later. Jesus.